Hi, on April 6th, we'll be covering wood, the second workshop in the 5 workshops on the 5 elements. Wood is the energy of springtime and the sprout emerging from the seed. In this workshop, we will study the actual nature of the chi in an embodied way. We'll study the quality of the chi as a stage in any dynamic process, and then we'll bring it home to the way it functions in human development. And for each stage of human development, we'll study the quality of consciousness from a developmental psychology point of view of how wood is emerging in the human experience. We'll study the yin and yang aspects of wood, as well as studying the psychospiritual issues associated with wood. The emotion we'll cover is anger, and the virtue we'll cover is benevolence. We'll study how anger can actually transmute into the virtue benevolence. Thanks, I look forward to seeing you on April 6th.